Well, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with another unboxing. I just got back from a gun shop, an FFL dealer. I got this from Battlehawk Armory. I paid like, what was it? Paid like $5.88 after like taxes and fees. Yeah, so I got pretty much a good price under MSRP, but this is the Canik SFX Rival. This is going to be a competition gun for like carry optics and maybe dabble into limited, but it's mostly for carry optics. I don't have anything else for it yet. I don't have an optic or extra mags or a belt or a holster or anything like that, but those will be coming in the future. But right now I was able to get the firearm and we're just gonna unbox it real quick. So it does come in the case. This is the gray one. This is the Rival gray one with the gold accents. I was kind of deciding, hey, do I get the dark side version with the all black or get the gray one? So I just got the gray one. But originally I was planning on getting the Rival S, but with all the issues that have come out about it, you know, the magazines over inserting, got failure to feed, failure to eject, and it's 2024 and seems to be still having some of those issues every now and then. I didn't want to take a chance on something unreliable, even though it looks like it shot really well. But I was able to shoot this at my local gun range, and I did enjoy it. So we're gonna go with this. We might add like a brass back strap or something like that to add some more weight to it. And we'll also have the you know, the brass magazine extensions or base plates. So we're gonna open it up now. We can cover that up. Had some trouble with UPS because they didn't deliver it the first day to the FFL, but they delivered it today, so we got it. And transfer fee was only 25 bucks, so that's good too. So let's open it up. So it's a nice gray box. I did have a Canik in the past. It was a TP9SF, but I sold it to get my 19X because while I did like shooting it, just something was missing. But this is going to be a competition gun, and I have a feeling I'm going to be with this for quite a long time. But let's open it up. And Canik usually does a really good job of presentation, so pan the camera up. So I'm not sure if you can see that, but we got two extra back straps, medium and large. I'm not sure which one's installed by default, but there's two extra back straps, including the one that's installed in the gun. You got your tools, you got your punch tool. So yeah, punch tool, the this little tool for, I'm not sure how to get it out, but there we go. So yeah, this will have all your some of the stuff you need, like screws, extra fiber optic tubes, what else, the magazine extensions, things like that. I mean, there we go. It's hard to get it back in there, but let's see if we can get in there. Oh yeah, the slide racker as well, but that's not going to be legal anyway, unless I want to compete in open. But yeah, there's extra screws and stuff in there. So damn it, there we go. Yeah, so there we go. I think we got them all out, and we got some screws. Gather everything we got out. So that's what comes with it, and the fiber optic tubes as well. It's hard to see, but they're in there. There you go. So that's what you get inside. We'll put all that back later, but yep, cleaning brush, cleaning rod. Got the booklet here and other paperwork. Customize your Canik. There's the manual, warning, how to install the aluminum base plates. Do not use, yeah, this is kind of confusing because I'm not sure if they just want you to just use the screws to install the plate to the gun, or use screws to install the optic to the plate. But I'm gonna use the optics the screws that come with my optic to install to the plate, but I'll use their screws to install the plate to the gun. And that's some assembly stuff, so nothing too special there. I'm gonna pack that back in there. Dang. It's hard to do it on camera. Damn. All right, there we go. So now we got the gun. It's key locked, which no one uses. The You got the, this is an aluminum mag well. You got two 18-round mags. You got aluminum base plates, and I guess the other part that comes with it to help you install it. So that's what they look like. There's two of them. Get four optic plates here, which is really nice because I don't have to order one. I can just use this one. Hopefully they don't break or cause any issues, but I don't know. We'll be prepared for it. Let's just sit down in my chair. How do you put this back in? Oh, Lord. There we go. There we go. So we got the magazines. Sorry. Grab the base pad. There we go. All right. And comes with the speed loader or assist loader, whatever people want to call it. Yep, two magazines. I'll be getting more of these, but yeah, comes with two. All right, here's the gun and the holster it comes with. It's actually a pretty solid looking holster. I mean, I'm using something else for the competitions, but this is good for practice and just to, you know, just until you get a holster, at least you have one, and you can adjust this for whatever belt you have, which is nice, or you could just take it off and put it on something else. Like, I forgot what it's called, but you can mount it on some, like a hanger, another hanger or something like that. I think you can use the screws for that, maybe not. And got the other mag here. Here's the gun. So, rival gray. It's not as, yeah, it looks better than I thought it would, because I did remember shooting it and it had like a little bit darker, so I like the way it looks. You got the trigger. It's a flat face aluminum trigger, breaks at 90 degrees. Magazine, I might change that to like the smaller one. I'm not sure which one is on by default, but it looks like the small one, so I might keep that one on there. What else? The texturing feels better than the first Canik I had, but probably gonna add some handle-it grips, at least on the sides in the front and the back strap. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get a brass back strap, but definitely gonna get some grip tape to help with the grip, because even though I want more weight, I do prefer a larger grip because I have larger hands. You still got the loaded striker indicator here, so pull it back, you see it, pull the trigger, goes away. Got adjustable rear sights, elevation and windage. You have the barrel, has some like a lightning cut for the slides here and here. Fiber optic front sight. This one's red, but you can change it to the green one or just whatever color is available. It has some more cuts here on the slide. Trigger guard, some serrations on the trigger guard. Got 3 slots, Picatinny rail. Got, I guess, this reference point, I guess you can put your thumb, kind of use it as a gas pedal, but you can also put like the Align Tactical thumb rest on it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get that, but it's the slide release, slide lock, slide release. There you go. It's a little tight, but it does work. And you have the takedown levers, just if you need to take it apart, clean it, or do anything to it. There's the screw hole for the mag well. Let's do the trigger. Let's do the trigger pull. I don't have a trigger gauge or anything, but we can test the trigger. I think I'll at least try to. Let me pop that green tag off. Now we can try it. So there it is. Take up wall. Brake. Very clean brake. Do a reset. There it is. Clean brake. Very nice. Let's see if we can take it down. You can pull down the tabs. You slide it over. You just lift it up. You don't take it apart like a Glock, but you just lift it up. There you go. I think that's a steel recoil spring. And here's the frame. And put it back on. You just kind of line it up with that. Line up that metal notch with that slot, little notch over here. Put it on and up. There you go. It's a little stiff, but once you fire, I think it'll loosen up a little bit. But it feels pretty good. It feels nice frame to finish feel. Frame to slide the frame feel. Doesn't feel super loose, but you know, it's not a metal gun, but it still feels pretty good. And yeah, so that's it for the unboxing. I'm not sure if I'll create a second channel to like do shooting and things like that, but that's a ways away. You know, I have to buy like a camera, an action camera, and things like that for matches. But I'm not there yet. But those will come in the future, either to this channel or to a new channel. And sorry it was so long. It was just a long, tired day. But yeah, I'll be back next time. Next time I have some footage or of anything. And yep, see you guys next time. Thanks.